Most other people's grannies act really sweet, always offer you a cuddle and share their last treat. True, some other people's grannies stink of wet feet, but the one I've got puts those in the shade. Well, did you ever meet a gran who looks kinda like a man and who does nothing else but gripe and moan? I've a mind to crush and grind a new kind of medicine of my own. What a great idea, Granny, take this teaspoon and soon we'll see my potion's awesome pharmaceutical property. I know it looks sort of gross, so Granny, hold your nose, because it's almost time to take a dose of my marvelous medicine. Just add a little cillit, bang, and a lick of fresh paint, plus a dash of plant food, though a flower you ain't. A squirt of brass polish could brighten a saint, though with you they'd have their work cut out. A little Radox bubble bath, throw in quarter, throw in half, then add a tube or two of mom's hair dye. Then take a seat, turn up the heat, and rinse, repeat as the sparks start to fly. What'll happen next, I wonder? Will she go pop, or will she explode? Will she take off and go flying down the road? There's only one small catch, this is my only batch, so better open up, Granny, and down the hatch. And we'll see, will she go puff in a cloud of smoke, or will she froth and start to fizz like a can of Coke? I know it seems kinda evil, but soon you'll see just how much fun a retribution can be with my marvelous medicine. George's marvelous medicine, my marvelous medicine.